day, viewers. Today we are live at Lapaz, former Olympic village, and today we want to have some interruption with the tractor drivers and the market women to know their problems and how to solve it. Let's go. Apome.
Yeah, fine, fine.
Boss, Bacha process.
Solomon, Solomon.
Okay, Mr. Solomon. Mr. Solomon, say make me ask a question. Pepa cho, omo ton ade okwan ho no. Ese fata say o so omo ton ade okwan ho. Ana say ensem fata say o so omo ton.
Well, to me, no dear, and yet,
But ade
I
jina
mean,
akasa.
because when you look at the road right now, you look at where they are selling right now. When the car is coming, the car can just run into them. When I got down from the car right now, I was just trying to listen behind me, like trying to see whether there is, a car behind me, because I kept hearing, horns and things like that. Actually, there are, cars coming, and this is a highway. Of course, when the cars are coming, they also come with a certain kind of speed. They can easily run into the people over here selling over here, and to me, dear, like it's not that good. Like it's not, all that good. I mean, if the government can come in and then try to secure a place somewhere, a land somewhere for them to, you know, I mean, put all of them over there so that they can sell over there, because this road no dey end. I mean, there's a highway. There's a highway, and I believe say if a car is coming with top speed, of course the car can easily run into them. And I mean, to me, and yeah.
Pepa cho, it is ese ano. E die pa na opese o mampanyini eye boa wo.
Okay, and I mean, as I said, right now, no, the government should try and then secure a place somewhere. If there's a land around here or something, they should just secure a place like that over there. Build something like a station or business station, something like a market over there for them to be able to sell over there, because a hundred there, Charlie, it is very very dangerous.
But make me busa
considering the
say
cars.
La Paz ya say na akasa no. I hope say omo wo baby e wo say nko mutimi etna eton ade
And no more.
because
Okay, okay.
because untimi enka say the whole La Paz station like yeah omo nyi baby a omo wo but ebia ebi mu so ya so den eti na omo ade omo aba road ni eti ede pa na obeka ede atu omo fo se na be ya se government ne kura hwe omo obetimi aye bibi papa aye de aboa omo no omo nko back to omo market place no omo timi ko ton ade o.
Okay, see, I know there, me not sure say they have anywhere they are supposed to sell at. And no mom there me if they have somewhere there me. But for now, no there, I still insist say the government should just come in, because you see I know, and even if there is somewhere for them to go and sell now, I say they feel say yeah, when they are inside there, no people wouldn't come there. People wouldn't come there to come and buy, and that's the reason why they keep coming in. They keep coming into the road, and of course, if the government, like if the government can just see it right now, you can just realize that the people keep coming and coming and coming. I mean, very very soon, sooner or later. I mean, I think that it is very soon. A car can just run into someone over here, and what I still insist is say the government should just come in, intervene, and just get a place somewhere. If there's a place somewhere, I don't know. But for now, no, the government should just get a place somewhere for them to go and sell, so that, I mean, things like that. We wouldn't want to wake up one morning and then we hear say Lapaz Hano, like a car has run into someone, or a car has run into I mean, number of people selling by the roadside. I think a few years ago, a few years ago, I think I heard something like that. I don't know whether it's a shaman somewhere or something like that. That a car just ran into people selling by the roadside like that. We wouldn't want to hear something like that, and we beg the government say like he should just come in so that he will get a place somewhere for them to go and sell. The government should insist, like try to get the police, and then all those people to come and then try to keep this thing. Like even if the people want to come to the roadside to come and sell crap, they should try and then push them back, like do something, yeah, so that they can just go and then go and sell.
O hwe baby abegina kura this year kura na bus stop right but as a yaji bus stop na boso and ye ton ade o edin na Amy Elizabeth Saki edin na wo expect say onye mfa ho.
Well, non-American say, I mean, since the people know they are not ready to like go back. And you know, I am just pleading with the AMA boss to say, like, you should just come in. Oh, if this can't reach the government, like the president of the country, at least the AMA boss should see this, and then come in, get his people, mobilize his people to come here, then come and push the people back. Otherwise, get them a place so that they can go and sell over there. But a hundred years, Charlie, very very dangerous.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Afternoon,
Mommy mpacho ye frozen.
Remy, ya.
Okay, mommy mpacho o ton ade o la pass.
Pachon.
Okay, mommy mpacho wo edin any mu problems e wo la pass ase.
Pass ya the problem ye na mu kwa. Wo beti car bo. Emra, nipa mienu na car bo. Nti ye na mu nyina ehu nko na aka ya wo. Elia. Na ma yifo no so mo ma we mu kwan no mo aton ade kura na. Omo nso aton ye nsuo na ma. Nti ye bre. Obla ni de ye fam bebre wo man aha la pass ya.
Na me pacho apart from ekwan no ho ase no. Muni market baby am betimi akoton ade o.
Market ni de ho sha. Ho sha nti nya de a ye betimi akoton ade. Ji se traffic mu a ene kwan ho a. Ti ji saban no ye no pe baby man ye.
Okay, mpacho na ede afutuo na obeka anase inkrashe sembe na abeka che ye youth na ye ton ade wo la pass ase.
Kakra meka ni se. Ni nyina agi aban na na beboa ya na. Se wa moa ya yen hu kwan bia ye befa so. Nti ye sere no se womra o meboa ye. Na ye nya baby nton ade na ye site mi akoya no. Anu a na metumi.
Boss, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Apumen.
Nyamenadum.
Boss, me pacho. Ubetima bodi.
Pacha mipia bumdi.
Pacho first.
The film Francis appear.
Okay, pacho o kanu o kasa no ahwe. Me pacho omo moton ade o la pass ase. O moton no kwan ho. Me pacho kwan be so ne ye be fa ye betimi e di aboa wo.
Ye me hu ni se kwan hodwo bebre ho. Ba titiro no e wo se aban ne boa na ope baabi ma omo ton ade wo kwan because kwan ho ade ton ye risky. Ka bi tumi te fa so na abebo wo mo. Nti de metumi aka ne se aban ne nye ye onye moa e mo no mpe baabi a ho ye fine na wonyi wo mu nyina mfo mo nko ho na obi a meton ade wo kwan ho titiro mo ton ade wo street ni mu kwa ye dangerous pa de metumi aka ne se aban ne moa se de be ya obepe baabi a mo mutumi aton ade ma bibia ye kama se de be ya ye nti se ka bia kutwafu obi so de metumi a kire afa ho no
Na mpacho wo ton ade wo la pass ase.
Dabi
Na mpacho wo hwa eme penyifo no edien na ombeye edi aboa omo nso a omo kwan no ho a se ne be ombenya market ba bia atena ma omo ho ato omo.
Mpanyimfo no de ombetumi aye ne se isi ano o se omo nso etu anamon bi a ombetumi anya ba bia ombetumi de aboa friend omo ape ba bia ton ade no but ni nyina mu no wo se omo gada omo ton ade wo ho no na omo de to omo anim se ye pe place bi se ya mamo makoton ade wo ho ndi ye pe mama wo se mu nso mo ye sutie se de be ya mo nsa ma ha meton ade bi ndi fi se mpanyimfo ntu anamon bi ete saa bibia be ye woke ndi ye hwe mpanyimfo nse ombetu anamon bi ete saa na omo ntu a ewo ekwan omo ton ade mu nyina aye ba ho no bibia mpanyimfo no be kire omo mako omo bibia aye kama saa na mi hu
Oh, ekwan ho de ensem fata. Anka ensem fata na so akoyese ahokire ya dooso. E na yen so ye pe yen sa akoya no nti no. Awo se yen be hwedwa na yen ba enya bi. Enso mo so ndi nti na akoy ba se ye hwedwa wa ha.
Na mpacho problems be na mukomu ase.
Aha no esanse aha no. Ensem fata se ye be hwedwa nti wo mu a ye me fo be ha ya adwe. Any problem I want.
Mpacho na eme for no man omo pe ba bia mam.
Oh, as at now, dear, ya had a almost pay be my nanny, almost pay no. Almost say, almost driver for no casa. Our new station, Achimota. Almost driver for no casa, almost no casana, a whole jana. ye be ko ho
Ewo nyina ye no, nti still omoba number be jeje mu no.
Since omo eye ho mai say be ko e de omo nhye da mba ha be ha ya adweye
Iti mpacho die na upese me boss eye mamu.
say ye nyina ye pe asundwe e na ye pe ahonto nti anko be pe baby amaye a ye be hyedwa a ye nso so ye ho be to ye no eno na nka ye pe because aha no ye dangerous ye nka so mo ha ye no enye so mo ha ye bibi nti o ye me de minim say e bia for our safety nti na e bia o mo ha ye nti anka mo nya baby ma ye na ye ko hyedwa ye to ade ma ye anka ye be pe akutu say
Bia kwano no be careful.
eno de say kwan no ho de dangerous nti ye nyina ye hwe ye ho ye te say kwan finfin na ye hyedwa no anka ye betwe ye ho kaka because car eni etumi feli a ebeku nipa nso ya ban asem ati ase nti no me ka kiro mo so bia bombo ne aso betwe ne ho afilo re kwan finfin na waton ye nyina ye tumi atena ha ton ade kakra
Ese mfata kura nanso enye nyina na ekọ school obi so wa wie school so oni ba bi kura oton wade oni ska ade ba register ese Ghana ka ma ese ska fo na register enti ye nso ye ni bi na aje ye nso ye ma ye pese ye mba kwa animu akwanyi ho na ye betere ne kakra ne data enye bateni aden ene enkotonkoto ne ade koto ha ense mfata ebi kura na ka bi ba unim na twa afanso ye ni ba bi nti saa na ebe no ba ne de ne yeso ye matumi akofri yi ani ti ne yete kwan na nye se ye fese maame a meti sei na ga ma age me store na metim na meton ade a nka ese fata nanso fa me kwani ni wo nti bojo wa kwan hu ya na ebe ye nya me bie kwa ma ya na yenso ye
Okay, mommy mpacho wo hwe omo ton ade o man na ni se bebi omo ton ade na e bus stop but wo hwe a omo ba tra bus stop ni ama ibi tra drivers ni na baby entimi mpa ke omo cars ebi na abeka a che sample
anu de e dangerous mo pa ya ho yira but enu na medical aka no ya so ni pa na ya na ye ka ho ye ma ya 1 inch na ye de 2 inches aka ho ese ye nko ye chi kakra na ka no so ntwo but ya ka sa enko ye pia na ye ba nti mesere se so mo hwe tv ya ko mo hwe a mo ko mo chi kakra se de be ya ye nso ye ho beto ye na etumi apa achi baabi ya me bie kwa amanya na ye kwa na kwan ni mo ada ama ye nyina
mommy Lapaz ase omo so mo problems ba
problem ye obi
mpacho obetimi ama e tip about problems
problem a ne se baabi a hyedwa ye ni anka ye baabi ti se kwan ye chi sei na ka market wo ka kwan mu nyina ada ho but ye ni baabi nti ni bon so ya doso obi a so pesa ne be ye yie ana wuntumi nka se mimi wa hai obi hyedwa wa ha mapam no ati ase me me ye baabi hye aha kura nye baabi o aka betumi atwa fa but me nua ne hye na me koye complaints ye metu na nso ma ya bone enti ne ebeba ne se wo se ya nso ye wokwa no no na ye hwe se de ebe ya ye mpanifo no so de be che kakra
ade na abeka che mo boss Elizabeth Saki sene be on so oba obetimi aboa mo e wo baby na mo so nya baby
ye mama Elizabeth de me ka say ohwe me tv so anu ani ba ko pe ekufo adomame na me ne na na kwa ba wi be ka say wa wugina wo nso ohwe obehu say yampa oya oba atan ne yemu ye ifi say so obetu ye yan kane ne nyina na oka ba obetu ye yan minim kwan ya obehu kwan ya obefa obetutu ye ekosi won obetutu ekosi se bia munkwa machi munye sei minya sure se minim no ontimi ba ye basabasa ɔwɔ abadaeɛ nso menim sɛdeɛ sakete.
Okay. As you have heard, these are the problems that Lapaz people have been facing. I am Omar Sheriff Jr. reporting Lapaz, Accra.